Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the fan, it's a bit hot today. Today's video is gonna be another do my hair with me. I already did the top braids, as you guys can see. That's where I'm gonna be crocheting. I'm doing box braids in the back and then crochet on top. Period. We're trying to finish the summer off with braids, and then I'm going to go back to my wigs. Period. But yeah, I am not gonna record every second of me doing my braids. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, so I might do like a montage style, but like I'm not really talking. But yeah, let's get into this.
Something special inside of you that comes out in those intimate moments. The third way that you can bring joy into your marriage is by spending time with God. That is where you receive your joy.
Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make us win. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make us win. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make us win. Let's treasure buried deep inside right now. Make us win. So go and see what you can find right now. Don't you know you're not just some other girl? There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my...
Okay guys, so I have this much done. I only have like 2 more braids for this side, and then I have to do this side. There's about 13 braids on that side, and then I have to do, I'm gonna try to do the same amount, 13 on this side as well. This is where I'll be crocheting. So I got these 2 braids left. I'm gonna do these on camera. So yeah, let's do this.
My dreams, yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make us win. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make us win. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make us win. Let's treasure buried deep inside right now. Make us win. So go and see what you can find right now. It's time to make a switch. Just open your eyes. You're perfect just like this. I'm telling no lies. Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? She's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make it swing. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make it swing. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make it swing. Let's treasure baby deep inside right now. Make it swing. So go and see what you can find right now. It's time to make a switch. Just open your eyes. Ooh. You're perfect just like this. I'm telling no lies. Make it swing. It's time to listen to yourself right now.
Okay guys, I'm actually really liking these braids. They're actually coming out really nice. I wish I could have done my whole head this style, but I don't have that many braids left, like braiding hair left. Like I only have, give me a sec. I only had literally this one bag. So yeah, I already used one for here and like 3 of from the one from here. And then I have 5 laid out for me to do this side, and then so that's 5 blonde and 2 brown. That's 7. So I have 7 braids that I could put on this side, but I have a total of 13. So these 6 braids, just 6 right here, 6 braids right here. So this will be enough for this side to do this side. So it would be perfect to do my whole side on that side. I'm really liking these. These braids are actually very long, guys. They're like past my booty cheeks. Like they're long as fuck. So I'm excited. So I'm just glad I had enough to do the back braids, and then I have this here. I'll show you guys. I have these 2. I have the blonde crochet water wave hair. I'm gonna actually put in a pot, a boiling pot, so like the curls don't get all wrangled up. And then I have these 2 rows right here that are brown. So that's all gonna be up here. And I'm actually very excited for my braids that I'm doing myself, guys. Listen, I just be putting whatever together and I'll be working with it, and it be coming out so freaking cute. So yeah, I'm very proud of my creativity. I can't wait to for you guys to see the finishing thing. Yeah, so I'm not gonna record this side because it's gonna be literally the same as this side, and then I'll be back when I'm doing the crochet and then when I'm closing the video. Okay, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so it didn't turn out the way I wanted to, because my plan was to crochet all of this, but God had other plans, period. So what I ended up doing was just keeping it as is, these as is, and I just crocheted this top part since it was easier to do so, and it actually came out really cute. So it's like tribal with a twist. Like this is I made up this look. So if y'all do want to copy it, you guys can. Got the gems right here, the cute little gem, little marbles and stuff, decor. So I got one right here, and then these 2 right here. As you guys can see, I didn't. It's literally freaking midnight, y'all. I did not do my edges because and then I have to wash them and then go to sleep. And I just don't like doing that. But yeah, I did curl the ends of this one. Let me move this side. But like, as you guys can see, I curl the ends, and like this like blends into the box braids in the back. And honestly, at first I was hating. I was being a hater. I didn't let I didn't let it finish. So, but it's cute though. I like it though. I'm no longer being a hater. I actually fuck with it. It's cute. So I'm actually gonna keep it like this for like maybe a couple weeks, like this style, and then after like these braids become old, I'm going to undo the braids and I'm gonna do space buns with the brown crochet instead. It's gonna eat, period. Y'all gonna see in my other videos coming up. But yeah, what y'all think? I like it. I don't know. What y'all think? I feel like with edges it'll eat even better. I did good. But thank you guys so much for joining me in this little do my hair with me video. Oh yeah, we cannot forget our oil. Wow, hair growth oil. That's what I use for my hair growth, you guys. Y'all, invest. That's all I gotta say. Invest in your scalp. Invest in your scalp, bro. That feels so good on my scalp, period. But yeah guys, I had a great time recording this video with you guys, doing my hair, and I just want to say I'm so sorry that I didn't post last week, but your girl needed a break. Okay, your girl needed a break. I just said I've been posting back to back for like 2 months straight, posting 3 times a week. Like, I needed a break. But yeah, y'all gonna see this video on Thursday though. Today is Monday, but I digress. I like this. I know some of you guys were asking me if I was going to be posting the story time about the time that I was a side chick. Mind you, I was a side piece, side bitch, whatever, twice. But y'all wanted the story time with baby mama and everything, so I'm gonna tell you guys that. I think I'm gonna record that Thursday and post it for Saturday's video. I know you guys are looking forward to that, so I'm gonna do that, period. Okay, so enough of that. Y'all, we reached 300 subscribers. We are on our way to 1K. Let's get into it now. Okay, I know that's right. I'm so excited for us, but I am actually currently watching All American. You guys need to tap in. I took a little break because they pew-pewed Coop. I thought Coop was gonna die, so I was like, nah, Brody, I can't watch this. It's gonna hurt my feelings. But thankfully, spoiler alert, Coop did not die, so I'm happy about that. So yeah, my palms are red. They're like very itchy. I don't know why. Ugh, I hate it. But so my feet has been itchy too. But I digress. But y'all, I had a good time. Yo, it's just so weird to be back on the camera and everything. But I'm having a good time. Like, I had a good time doing this recording for you guys, and I'm excited to take you guys a story time. Record a story time for you guys on Thursday. Period. Because why the fuck not? Okay. Let me take a break for a second. I'm like too hyped. I'm too excited to see you guys. I'm too hyped. I'm too hyped, babes. Period. But yeah, y'all know already what it is. Turn on that post notification bell. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Period. Stop playing with me. Play with your bitch and your side hoe. I know that's right. Cause y'all know y'all want to see more of me. Cause who would want to see more of me? Cause I want to see more of what? You. Period. Okay, guys. I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be part of my beautiful, beautiful babies. Bye.